Hi vlog. First, we're in my bathroom right now. Second, I finally got a camera. It was an impulse buy, but I finally got a camera to vlog on. How exciting. So we are in my bathroom because I bought this shelf yesterday from Walmart. These are also on Amazon. It's a command shelf and it's supposed to hang with the command strips. It has 10 of them in here. But I got this because I had a skincare fridge and that like died on me the other day. So all my skincare is on this, and this is one of those plastic drawer carts. It's on the top and it's all my skincare is just on top of here, and it's very overwhelming because I have a lot of stuff going on here, and I don't like it. But it's just something easy that I can just put up on my wall. And if this goes very easily, I might get another one for my room, which I'll show you later what I want to do. But I just want to put all my skincare on this, and it just seems really easy to do. So I'm going to hang this up and I'll show you guys once it's up, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like with everything on it. So the shelf is up. This was so easy to do. I know, I'm making it sound like rocket science, but I overthink everything. But I put everything up here that I use for my skincare, and everything's in the order that I use it, which I really love. I am so obsessed with how this came out. I think it looks really cute, and I have all of my sheet masks here, and I have them in the order that I like to use them. And I'm just so excited. And this is what everything was on, so it looks so much better. The only things left here are my Murad sleeping cream and my cleansing balm. Just because they're so big, they're not going to fit on the shelf itself, but I think it looks really, really cute. Okay, so I'm in my room now, and this is the wall I was talking about before. It just like has nothing on it, and I feel like it's so bare. Like, let me show you. This wall has like the window and then the pictures. Then this wall has the TV, and then this wall in front of me has like the door and my vanity and my calendar. So like it has stuff on it, and I feel like if I was to put something on this wall, there'd be too much. So like this wall just has nothing on it, and I feel like it's so boring. I don't know what I want to do with it though. So if you have any suggestions, please let me know. So next on my agenda, I wrote everything down. I have two options, and it is to do my Instagram for the week. I like to take pictures and pre-plan everything, and I type out the captions on the computer and all that stuff. Or I get to work on this mess that I have going at the foot of my bed, and it's just all boxes and bags, and I'm obviously not proud of that mess. So I think I'm gonna go with the Instagram posts. So I'm gonna do that. I'm going to figure out, because I did a lot last weekend, so I'm gonna figure out what I need to do this weekend to get done. And yeah, I'll check in when I'm done with that. Hi vlog, I'm in my car. We're gonna go to Stop and Shop because I need to get lunch stuff for the week, and then I think I'm gonna go to CVS because I saw Wet n Wild has a Lilo and Stitch collection, and someone said they saw it on their CVS, so I'm gonna look again. And I need to get cream. So yeah, let's go do that. Alright, so I just finished up at Stop and Shop. Just got my yogurt for the week and my Sun Butter cups, and then some things for my mom. So now I'm going to go to CVS because I need my body lotion. I like to use the Jergens, like the tanning one, when I shower, because I use like the one that you use in the shower. So I use that at night, and then I use Hemp's during the day, but I have a ton of Hemp's at home. And yeah, so let's now go to CVS. I am home from the store, and we are in the bathroom again because it is time to wash my makeup brushes. Every weekend I wash my makeup brushes, and I've been actually like deep cleaning them for the past, I think this is now my 3rd week. So pat on the back to me because I'm so lazy and I hate washing my brushes. But we're gonna wash our brushes now, get them all clean for the week, because every single week I use a new palette, and this week I'm so excited because I'm using the ColourPop One and Done palette. So excited to use it. It looks so pretty. So yeah, let's get these brushes clean.
If you're wondering what I use to clean my brushes, it's this Sonia Kashuk makeup brush and sponge cleansing balm. It comes with this little scrubby guy that suctions to your sink or wherever you're cleaning. So I just suction it to the sink and then wash the brushes. It smells, I don't know, sometimes I like the smell, sometimes I don't. Today I don't like it. It's a rose water scent, but I've had this for such a long time and I finally like hit pan on it. But yeah, this is what I use. It's a Target. All of the brushes are nice and clean now. I have them just resting on this ledge. And now I am going to go upstairs and start a project. I have not talked about this on here or anything, but the girl's going back to school. I'm doing a certificate in digital marketing. My job is offering free schooling, so I thought, why not? Let me take it, let me take this opportunity. So basically how it is like you do a whole lesson and you have a project. So I'm going to start the project and get it all typed out. I have it handwritten as a draft, and then I'm going to type it out, and that way it's ready to go. Because every Wednesday I talk to my mentor and she said she will help me with it and just go over it and give me a little critique and whatever. That way I can hand it in because it's due next Sunday, which is the 19th. And then I might start a lesson too. So let's go do that. Hi vlog. I'm filming on my camera because today we had inventory at work and I didn't want to bring my camera because if you ever done inventory and you worked retail, there's just some shady characters that come in. So I just didn't want to bring my camera. But now I'm in line to get gas at Costco and I'm probably going to spend $1 million. When I first got my car, it used to be $25 to fill it up. Now it's $50, which stinks because I always joked that the day I get a car, gas is going to go up, and it did a lot. But Costco has the best gas because it lasts 3 weeks in my car, so I'm really not going to complain. So yeah, it looks like it's $4.89. Sorry, it's $4.89 here in New Jersey. Oh yeah, that's what I'm up to now, and I'm gonna go home. I don't know if I want to go in my pool or do some schoolwork. I don't know yet, but we shall see. All right, so I've been home for a little while now, and I got 2 packages in the mail, so I thought we'd open them up together. So first is from PINCHme. I don't remember. I think this was bonus samples or something. So let's see. Ooh, Eva NYC. This is their Brass to Sass Brunette Shampoo and Conditioner. I actually use one from Not Your Mother's and I love it. And then a little Aveeno body wash. And then this one's from BOXYCHARM. I don't know what it is. I get so much from BOXYCHARM. Ooh, it's the L'Oreal. What is it? L'Oreal Infallible Precision Felt Eyeliner in the shade Black. This is waterproof, easy to use, and smudge resistant. I'm excited to try this. I love trying out new eyeliner. Alright, so I think I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know if you did in the comments down below. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to leave comments. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye!